Welcome back, everybody. Today we're going to be working on creating a new board in Trello. So the first thing you want to do is go to Trello.com and see up at the very top there's a create button, and at the very bottom there's a create new board button as well. Today we're going to click the top button and it'll bring down a list of custom board or start with a template to make things easier. We're going to do a create board. So we'll click on that top option. And from here you can choose the different backgrounds that you want to use for your board, kind of scenery and stuff like that, or you can do solid colors. And then you get to name your board. I'm just going to put new board here. And then underneath of that, there's a visibility drop down, and this is very important. The private setting is going to be only for you and people that you invite. Only you and them can see it. The workspace is going to be anyone who works on your team, and then the public is going to be open to anybody on the internet to see if you want to share your board there. So I'm going to go ahead and click private today and then create a new board. And there you have it. We got the beautiful mountain background and you have a board that you set up. Please like and subscribe this video, and if you have any questions or comments, please drop them below.